is Sheetal, and today's video will start with a question. Now, have you been so fed up of those dark spots or dullness or pigmentation, lackluster skin that you decided to go get a series of chemical peels done? Now, if your answer is yes, I'd like you to stop and listen to what I have to say. These chemical peels that are spa procedures are so harsh to the skin that they are related or associated with some very well-known side effects like skin sensitivity, sun sensitivity, early lines and wrinkles, and skin peeling, which eventually all of this together can cause a scenario where your dark spots and pigmentation only end up looking more pronounced. So now your question is there anything we can do at home that is natural and that can give us wonderful results? So the answer to that question is absolutely yes, and I'm going to teach you a very interesting and an unusual home remedy today that I bet you will be surprised about. At least one ingredient you will be surprised about, and that ingredient is dosa batter. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with what dosa batter is, go to your nearest Indian grocery store and they will carry a dosa batter, so you can have it ready-made that way. So dosa batter is a mixture of rice and lentils which is fermented, and the fermentation process creates lactic acid, which is completely natural. It's mild, it's not harsh to the skin. So we want to use dosa batter that's about 2 or 3 days old, so we can have more lactic acid become part of this remedy that way. Ingredient number 2 is some lemon juice, and lemon juice is a source of citric acid, which too is a natural alpha hydroxy acid which brightens up your skin and makes those dark spots and pigmentation and unevenness look far less pronounced. Ingredient number 3 is jaggery, which is a very raw form of sugar and a very decent source of an alpha hydroxy acid called glycolic acid. So as you can see, this one home remedy gives you alpha hydroxy acids that are natural and that are not going to shock your skin but are going to work with the rhythms of your skin to cause some peeling, which is not evident externally, but by peeling here I mean that the dead skin cells will loosen up so that new skin can come to surface. So let's get started and put together this lactic acid and glycolic acid home remedy. So you will need 1 tablespoonful of dosa batter. To this you will add about roughly 1 teaspoonful of jaggery and about 10 to 12 drops of freshly squeezed lemon juice. You will mix these ingredients well, and you are going to apply this mixture on your skin 1 to 2 times a week, no more than that. Let it sit on your skin for about 10 minutes or so, and then you're going to wash your skin with lukewarm water and follow with your toner, serum and lotion meant for your skin type. Okay, so here we go. This is the remedy. It is runny, and that's exactly how it should be. It can't be too thick. This is a perfect consistency, and I'm going to apply it on my skin right away. But before that, I have to tell you, I can't believe that I'm putting dosa batter on my skin, but the science behind it is just absolutely convincing. There is just plenty of lactic acid in dosa batter that it can brighten up our skin. And as far as jaggery and lemon juice, we already know that these are very skin brightening in nature. So let me get started. So this way, and first of all, it is sticky. It feels sticky as it should, and you are going to apply it all over your skin, and you are going to be very thorough. But one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to go very close to the eye area. Just stop right here. This area beyond is pretty delicate, so you don't want to put any home remedy along this area. So get your neck as well, which I'm not going to do because, you know, as usual, I don't want to drop it on my blouse. But get your forehead and everywhere, and it smells like dosa flour. It also dosa batter. It also smells like jaggery, very sugary, very sweet, and it's very cool when it goes on the skin. So what did you think about this unusual remedy? Talk to me in comments below. If there is a certain remedy you would like me to teach you on video, let me know about that as well. Share this video with your friends, comment on it, like it, and if you're watching this on YouTube, do subscribe to my channel. Up until the next time, take care. and up until the necktie. No!
No!